Ma'am. Myself Thimmareddy, ma'am. I am from Andhra Pradesh, Anantapur district, and I completed my education in Karnataka, Bellary, and I completed my BE Civil Engineer in 2021, RYMCE College, Bellary, ma'am.
Okay. How did you got to know CMTI?
Ma'am, I got to know through my brother, ma'am. He is working in Ashok Buildcon Highway Company, ma'am.
Okay. Like what did you learn in the training, quality, then syllabus?
Ma'am, in CMTI, they teach both construction and interiors, ma'am. In construction, they teach QC, QS, and CAD linking with Excel, and interiors SketchUp, cut list, and everything.
Okay. Like what about the trainers? How was their approach to you in the projects as well as the classes and all?
They interact good, ma'am. How many times we ask doubts also, they will clear to us, ma'am. And they teach us good.
Okay. Like what about the app? How did that help you?
Yeah, ma'am, it's good, ma'am. They in that they will like how to crack interviews. Like we can, if we didn't understand in offline, also we can listen in the CMTI app also, ma'am.
Okay. Then how was the interview process? How many rounds did like you did attend? Then how did you crack the interview and all?
Ma'am, there was only one round, ma'am.
Hmm.
Like they asked about drawings and everything, ma'am. I
Hmm.
did it perfectly, so I did completed.
Okay. Then how was the CMTI staffs during admission?
Ma'am, it's very good, ma'am.
Okay.
They take care well.
Okay.
Like,
Then
they,
what do you want to say to your friends and juniors, Thimmareddy?
man, I will tell like it is a good platform for the freshers who are just completing BE, and if they have plan to join somewhere, yeah, so they can come here and take few things of few knowledge, and they can join, ma'am.
Okay. That was a good feedback, Thimmareddy.
Thank you, ma'am.
Fine. Congrats for your placement.
Thank, thank you,
Then
ma'am.
all the best for your future. Yeah. Thank you,
Thank you, ma'am.
Thimmareddy.
Thank you, ma'am.